Hey guys, Andy here with Expert Renovation. Got a late evening at the warehouse job, getting the slab prepped. We got concrete coming at 7:30 in the morning. Tires down on the Bobcat. We got Bubba's Mobile Tire Service on the way to take care of that. In the meantime, we're adapting and improvising with the Yale. Julio got this sawed out nicely. Jonathan's running it, and it's actually working out pretty good. It's a 13,000 pound lift, breaking the pavement really nicely. Main helmet needs to get out of the way. We lucked out on this. We thought we were going to have a lot heavier concrete here, but it's just pavement, and so that's a huge win for us. Got the industrial lights on up there, making it nice to work by. That's what it takes sometimes. So, show you how this is working out for us. Not a bad solution while the equipment's down, and definitely better than doing it by hand. So that's how we do it. Whatever it takes to get the job done. Call us for your commercial remodeling jobs, 478-501-0102. Guaranteed build out and completion times. Happy to work long hours, and got the crews willing to do it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.